Hi there, students. Gardening leave or garden leave. So, leave is where you don't have to go to work. And garden leave or gardening leave is a period of time when an employee continues to be paid, but they're told not to come into work. And this could be for a variety of reasons. Um, Very often, this happens after an employee gives in their notice. They say they're going to leave a job, um, but their employer doesn't want them to come into the office for various different reasons. Most commonly, this is because the person given gardening leave is an important executive, somebody high up in the organization, and they are typically going to join a competitor, a competitor of the company, and they don't want this person to take sensitive information or up-to-date information to the competing company. Very often as well, garden leave can be somebody who's been sent home pending a disciplinary procedure. So maybe that a person's been accused of a serious criminal offence, but this is still sub judice. It hasn't been decided if this is true or not. Or when the presence of the worker is considered counterproductive, it's going to be bad for the company. This has been used on various occasions in British football where there's some scandal about a player, and the team, they don't want to terminate the contract, but they don't want the person present either, so they get gardening leave. When you're on gardening leave, you've got to follow the conditions of employment. You've got to keep company information confidential, and that you're not allowed to compete or to work for a competitor, at least until your contract expires. Gardening leave, in the past in the British Civil Service, was used to talk about a suspension where, while there was investigation into somebody's conduct, and the person would be told to stay out of the office and not to come in until this was resolved. They would be on special leave or gardening leave. So gardening leave. This normally doesn't happen to mere mortals like you and me, but it's a period during which an employee, normally who's about to leave the company, continues to receive their salary but doesn't work, and they don't have to go into work. So, or an employee who is suspended on full pay for the notification period. Typically to prevent them from having any further effect on the organization or having access to confidential information. So they continue to receive their salary, but in return they agree not to work for anybody else for a period of time. So yeah, they're at home and they're on leave, and I guess they get to work in their garden, but they don't actually have to go to work. But very nice too, they receive their salary. Formality, gardening leave. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And I think it probably comes from as I was talking about, the British civil service. And people being on special leave, they as a euphemism for suspended. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Gardening leave.